go. Welcome back
Who?
to my channel.
I got one question. Who doesn't like beef stew? Everybody likes beef stew.
Everybody.
So tell us what we got here, Joe. How do you make it?
I made with beer, orange juice, and onion, red bell pepper, and green. I have here 1.3 pounds beef stew cut.
Nice.
So I have here potato and carrots that I cut and remain in water for a while because we will wait to add that until the
After
beef,
the beef cooks a little bit.
after the beef
All
cooked
right.
tender.
Lots of spices. Always a lot of
Spices.
spices in Joe's ingredients because
You can,
she likes the spice.
can read in your screen. I didn't put amount of smoked paprika and garlic powder because we will use that to coat the beef in a bit.
So, yeah, there's there. You like to use a lot of spice. Now there we got some. What is that? Minced garlic, oil.
Oil,
What kind of oil is that?
canola oil.
What, you can use anything though.
Yeah, you can use.
Motor oil,
No, no. No.
body oil.
No, of course not.
All right, so we're doing some beef prep. What do we got going on here?
We're
We got
gonna
some
coat
garlic
the,
powder,
Garlic
lots
powder,
of
and
lots of
smoked
garlic
paprika,
powder. Keep the vampires away. Yeah.
crushed peppercorn, and salt.
Salt,
So,
but going back to that garlic, you gotta use the garlic because it keeps the vampires away.
yeah.
It's true.
No,
No, it's not true. It's an old thing that they used to say.
we're gonna, fry that with the powder so absorb the
Right.
flavor.
You get all that flavor on the raw meat. Now, are we gonna eat this meat raw?
Of course not.
Oh, okay. We're gonna cook it.
We're gonna cook it.
More garlic powder to keep those vampires away. You know, it's true. They used to wear garlic around their neck to keep vampires away. That's an old thing.
I've seen a
Yeah.
movie like that.
Yeah,
So
pretty crazy.
we're back to our cooking. To that.
Joe needs to keep us on track.
It's alright. Someone texted. So cooking preparation. I have here in a pot over a medium-high heat. Add canola oil or any oil you have. Just some. And when the oil is hot, add the beef.
The beef chunks.
beef
So it's over
chunks.
medium heat, medium high.
Medium-high heat.
Okay. So you're gonna. That's all the beef right there, right?
Yes.
So you just evenly space it out on the bottom of the pot. Get it nice and brown, right?
Yeah, brown color, all of it.
Yeah. And you can kind of see a little caramelization going on there, and I bet you it smells good. Did it smell good when it was cooking?
It smells good inside.
Garlic and
Paprika.
smoked paprika, beef.
And now we're about to add beer.
Okay, and now this, I was shocked that you used so much beer, but I guess it really helped with the flavor and the tenderness because this has turned out to be super tender.
Gonna add the orange juice
A whole 12-ounce bottle of orange juice.
and spices. I didn't show the bay
Bay
leaves.
leaf?
Yeah,
Mhm.
I forgot to show in the video. So
Well, now we see them.
you can use chicken broth or any beef broth or water. Just
What about
Yeah.
like another 12-ounce bottle of beer? Could you do that?
yeah,
Is that
but
too much beer?
No, I mean when it's evaporate the
Yeah.
liquid,
Leaves all that flavor behind.
yeah, you can add more beer and juice, of course, to balance the flavor.
Okay, so we're adding just the onions now, right?
Onions,
Okay, they're gonna let those
to
cook. We're
add
gonna cover it up.
aroma to the
Look at
beef.
that.
So after 1 hour and about 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Hour and 30 minutes. We got the dog barking in the background.
Yeah.
We got
Sorry
a
about
new
that.
puppy. We got a new puppy that we're hanging out with. So please pardon the dog and my mom yelling at the dog.
So we add some water and
then you just let it simmer some more, and now you're gonna add the rest of the vegetables. Nice chunky potatoes and carrots. Red bell pepper and green bell pepper. Which one do you prefer, red or green?
I like red.
Yeah.
This is, I don't know.
A little bit of different flavor.
Yes, different flavor.
Is it true that they're the same except you just pull them off the vine at different times? I heard that's kind of what happens. The peppers are the same. It just depends on when you pull them off the vine and what color they are.
Huh?
I don't know.
That.
Somebody comment below if they know that. Comment on the video.
Okay,
Wow, look
so
at that.
now
That is so
simmer
colorful.
for 30 minutes because when we add the potato when we add the vegetables,
carrots.
we simmer for 30 minutes.
So they get nice and tender.
Yes.
All right, soak up some of that flavor. Besides the beef and beef stew, my favorite part of the stew is always the potatoes because they soak up all that flavor. Yeah, look at that.
I like carbs too.
Yeah, I like carbs as well.
I prefer with the rice actually.
That would be good. So put it over some rice. Oh, and this is the finished product right here, huh? Look how shiny it is.
I'm telling you right now that although we ate already, that's delicious.
It's delicious.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe.